Flytech BladeStar. With Huawei's intelligent indoor flyer with onboard navigation, you can experience interactive flight. Autopilot sensors react to obstacles and guide you away from trouble. Control Flytech BladeStar with a digital remote. Or use the manual guidance system. Challenge an opponent to a mid-air battle. He's in range. Fire! He's going down. Flytech BladeStar. Altitude with attitude. Flytech BladeStar. Each sold separately. Batteries not included from Huawei.
For hundreds of years, man has looked to the sky to fly like the birds. Our inspiration comes from one insect in particular, the dragonfly, with unmatched flight performance in the insect world. The TechJect dragonfly is a lightweight robotic insect that collects and relays information while flying like a bird or hovering like an insect. Weighing in at less than 1 ounce, approximately the weight of a AA battery, the Dragonfly is the latest in ultra-micro avionics with stereoscopic vision, flight control systems, and a camera-ready operating system. This means you can do amazing aerial photography, spy on people, secure your house, or use it as the next-gen gaming platform. We've all seen helicopters, we've all seen quadrotors and airplanes, but really, all of them are bulky, low on battery, and really just a one-trick pony. The TechJect Dragonfly is really in a league of its own. It hovers like the best quadrotors and helicopters. It flies like the best of airplanes. It's really all these different flyers combined. The Dragonfly gets smaller and smaller with each iteration while enhancing its performance, something physically impossible for all the other flying systems. What you have is the world's first aerial photography tool that's efficient, user-friendly, and you can take it in your pocket wherever you go.